Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Gautami Anand and today's recipe is China grass recipe. It is also called as Agar Agar recipe and Ghaas Halwa. I call this recipe a unique one because it requires just few ingredients and tastes delicious. Also, it is super easy to prepare. So let's get started with the recipe, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. In a pan, add 1.5 cups of fresh coconut milk, 2 cups normal milk, I suggest you to add 1 cup of sugar. Once you refrigerate it, it reduces the sweetness. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder as it gives more flavor to the sweet. In a bowl, add 1 pack plain China grass and clean it with water. Strain the China grass and remove the water. In other pan, add 6 tablespoons of water and strain China grass and cook until it gets thick. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Now the China grass is ready. Pour the hot China grass into the milk and stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it gets thick, turn off the flame. Grease the steel plate with ghee and spread it evenly. Now pour the mixture on the plate. Freeze it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add color of your choice. Here I have added rose pink color. Garnish with some dry fruits and refrigerate for 2 hours. After 2 hours, cut in diamond shape by using a knife. Now carefully remove it. As you can see, the delicious China grass is ready to serve. Isn't it looking yummy? I hope you like this recipe, and for more related videos, please do subscribe to our channel.